the most ordinary ways. I always stop and wonder what would have happened if I stayed. 'Cause without you, it's like the ocean, I'm drowning in every single wave. Yeah, without you, I've got no focus, I'm fighting to just get through the day. And I keep falling.
This video we will be doing a review of this Slick Glass 2-in-1 detailer. So this is, I think this is supposed to be or to act as a rain repellent and a glass cleaner. So essentially that would mean, I think it would take out some of the tough, water spots on the windshield, especially just to improve driving ability. So we'll just put it into use today and see how it does. We'll also see if it's able to take out some of these spots left over by rainwater. I don't know if you can see the spots, so we'll also try and scrub it around and see if it will be able to get rid of them. You can also see from the inside. So what you need are 2 pieces of microfiber cloth. We have them here. You need to have some clean ones. I have one here and I do have another one, so let's just scrub it up. So you're supposed to apply it once, spread it around evenly, and then wipe it down with the first cloth, and then wipe it down again just to dry it up with the other cloth. So let's do it. Shake it well. So we are done. The job looks decent. Some of the spots came out. It looks a little bit better. I wouldn't say it's the best I wanted it. Also check the side mirrors, definitely not much of a difference. Windshield definitely looks better than how it was. It definitely doesn't have as much rain spots as the other windows. I'll try it out again and see if we need to do it more than once so that we can see some changes, but so far it's decent. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.